So how does Claude Cowork work? I'll show you in about 4 minutes. And at the end, the one mistake that wrecks most people's first session. Type one message to Claude Cowork, close the laptop, come back to finished files and jobs. Not answers, finished work. That's Claude Cowork. Here's the mental shift. Chat answers questions, Cowork completes tasks. In Anthropic's own words, it's like leaving a message for a coworker who actually delivers. So what's actually different? One thing is the folder. You point Cowork at a real folder on your computer. In that folder, Claude Cowork can read those files. It can edit them, execute tasks on them, and create new ones right there on your machine. No uploading, no copy and paste, no reformatting. It answers afterwards. The moment you stop feeding an AI context and start giving it your actual files, everything changes. Give it a job and watch what happens next. First, it writes a plan. Then it works through that plan, step by step, posting progress as it goes. If it genuinely needs a decision from you, it asks. Otherwise, it just gets on with the job, a bit like a junior coworker. And you can queue up several tasks at once. It works through them in parallel while you do something else. Let me make that concrete. Here's a downloads folder. Hundreds of files, total mess. One instruction. Sort these into folders and rename them by what is actually in them. A few minutes later, you will get an organized, renamed, findable folder. The same trick turns a pile of receipt screenshots into a formatted expense spreadsheet, or a folder of scattered meeting notes into one clean report. But also remember, Cowork is not locked inside that folder. 3 add-ons extend it. 1, Skills. It produces real files, Excel spreadsheets with working formula, PowerPoint decks, Word documents, and even fillable PDFs. 2, Connectors. Plug into Gmail, Calendar, Google Drive, Slack. It can check your inbox or calendar mid-task and make a decision. 3, Claude and Chrome. Pair them and one instruction can span your files and the web. Analyze the spreadsheet and email the summary to my team. Done. Now the safety and the mistake I promised in the beginning. Cowork only touches folders you explicitly granted access to. It runs in a controlled environment, and the consequential decisions stay with you. That's the design of Claude Cowork and how it works. But here's the mistake new people make. They point it at their entire documents folder with a vague instruction, like tidy this up. It will actually move and potentially delete things. That's the whole point. So a real tip, copy the folder first, and then tell it exactly what you want it to do and what it shouldn't touch. See the outcome, and you've still got your other one backed up. So who can use this? It lives in the Claude desktop app. Is Claude Cowork worth your time? If your week involves organizing documents, building reports, or pulling data out of scattered files, yes, you get hours back every week, and you're only just scratching the surface. In the next video, I'm going to go through some Cowork use cases, both for business owners and division managers or vice presidents of divisions, some real workflows so that you can understand exactly what it's capable of. Subscribe so you don't miss. I'll see you there. Thanks for watching. I'm Jim Kennedy.